Hey, Ty back with another keto video. Real quick video to piggyback on my last video I created about how to cheat the right way on keto. You shouldn't be cheating anyway, but the way I do it, or way you could do it, is eat the bad meal and try to go back to keto for the next week. So you're kind of having both worlds. So theoretically, if you say you have like 200 carbs on Monday, then Tuesday you might put in 30 carbs, very low, 20, 30 carbs. Your body is constantly burning on carbohydrate and sugar first, because your body's gonna either burn sugar or fat. So it's gonna burn that sugar up because you're not putting sugar. When you gain weight, when you constantly put in carbs and sugar into your body, that's when you gain the weight. So if you do it one day and the next 2-3 days you're putting in really low amounts, you're going to burn off that carbs you put in Monday very fast, very, very fast. So it makes it a little bit easier for you to do keto that way. So my tips are, in my last video I was saying, do 3 months of keto straight, no cheating, and then maybe the 4th month, have your cheat meal. But after the cheat meal, go back into doing keto. Let your body burn those carbs and sugars up out your system. Let your body burn that up. Okay, so you're back to where you were. Hey, you had ketosis for a little while, but like my last video, if you use apple cider vinegar before a meal, or even before you go to bed or after a meal, that will also help decrease your blood sugar levels too. It's not an all-time fix, but I do take vinegar every day. I take a shot in the morning to help lower blood sugars throughout the morning, and I take a shot before I go to bed to lower my blood sugars while I'm sleeping. But if I have a high carb meal, I'll go ahead and take a shot of vinegar while I'm at home. I take a shot of vinegar at home, or take a shot of vinegar before I go out to eat. So I know I'm gonna have a donut. So that's what I do. And that works for me. That's just constantly, okay, we're going out to eat. Okay, was it a restaurant I might like where I don't like? If I eat a dessert, I'll take a shot of vinegar to be on the safe side. And I'll take a shot sometimes either when I come back home, or I'll take a shot before I go to bed. So that also will help with the keto process to help you going. But it's nothing wrong with cheating. As long as you don't go overboard. Don't go to McDonald's, get you a sandwich, fries, and a Coke. Get you some donuts, ice cream. That's just too much. It's too much. Keep it low as you can. If you get a baked potato on the side, it spikes up high, but your body's gonna burn them carbs up. I may be wrong. Okay, am I wrong? Okay, I'm wrong. Maybe somebody comment down below if I'm wrong or right, but this is my opinion on it. The keto diet is very hard to go out to eat while eating the dessert. So it's very hard to go out to eat sometimes because you eat only a certain amount of things. Appetizers, it's pretty much all breaded, or all sauces and stuff like that. So I get either chicken wings, or that's pretty much it. It's either quesadillas or chicken wings. It's chicken wings really. And in the meal, it gotta be a meat. It gotta be ribs or chicken or steak or beef, or can't get fries or corn or cob. So it gotta be more like broccoli or steamed vegetables or green beans. Which green beans is not really keto either, but that's the best thing you can't eat. And then when dessert comes around, you can't have no dessert. So this is the way you can still cheat in your diet a little bit and still do the keto diet. And once in a while, you can cheat. I try, but I try not to cheat. But if I do cheat, do it like once a month or twice a month. You know what I'm saying? And make sure that or another tip that you could do, you do one meal a day. Now, I've done days where I cheated doing my day for lunch, but I had that for one meal. So I didn't have breakfast. I didn't have no snacks in between. I had a bad high carb meal, but that lasts me all to the next day. So I had one meal a day, and that's fine too. That's fine. You could do something like that. That's fasting. One meal a day is fasting, so that will also help. We eat that one bad meal, your body's gonna burn off everything it consumed. So that's fine too. So there's multiple ways to get around eating bad food. You have to do keto for a long time to get fat adapted. But if you just plan to eat a fatty meal, wait till that meal. I give you another example. Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving comes around. And usually I don't do breakfast, but if you do breakfast, just do bacon and eggs. Or do bacon and eggs in the morning. If y'all do that for Thanksgiving, if y'all don't, wait until Thanksgiving. Wait until the big meal to eat. Then you can have the potatoes, macaroni and cheese. You can have all that stuff, and then eat the dessert. Eat the dessert because it's Thanksgiving. Eat the dessert, but that's one meal. You have one meal that whole day, and you're fasting. So you have that one meal. Now it's a high sugar, high carb meal, but you have that one meal. So you do that, that will also help. Plus, with the apple cider vinegar, that you can take a shot before Thanksgiving, or if you go into a family member's house, take a shot before you leave, or sometimes I take the whole bottle of apple cider vinegar with me if I'm going out of town or something. Take the whole bottle with me, and take a shot before I leave, or a shot on the way, or if I forget to take the shot of apple cider vinegar, take the shot after I eat. So help lower the blood sugar. So there's many ways to get around eating bad food. You just gotta find the one that works, and that works. You do one meal a day. Apple cider vinegar will do wonders. You know what I'm saying? Or just eat Thanksgiving dinner the next day. The next day eat leftovers. Just go keto or go very low carb. Go very low carb. Eat the ham, eat the bacon, eat the turkey. Eat the string beans, all that stuff. So there are multiple ways to get around eating keto, cheating and getting what you want, and living a good lifestyle. So this is Todd for TheXKing.com. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.